Hi guys, good morning. This is Jumar and welcome to my channel. So after 2 days of looking for this gadget, finally I was able to find it yesterday in Roseville, Sydney. So ngayon, i-unpack natin para makita ko kung ano itong nasa loob ng DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So this is the latest equipment for vlogging. So yan. So i-unpack ko kung para makita natin kung gaano siya kaganda. Okay? The other day, siguro ang napuntahan kong store ay around 10. So nalibot ko yung Sydney, Westfield and JB Hi-Fi para makabili nito, but all of the store are out of this item. So out of stock lagi. So ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako sa internet yung dealer store mismo para tawagan ko, and then fortunately nung tinawagan ko may natitira pa silang 5, and I told the guy to reserve the one for me. So this is my invoice. So kaya kahapon din dali-dali ako pumunta dun sa hardware nila para kunin yung pina-reserve ko. Okay. So yan, unpack ko na. So titingnan natin ito kung anong laman nito sa loob. Okay, so there's alright. So my cord, it's one. So lalagay ko muna dito. So they have the manual on how to use it. And okay. To, ano ba tawag dito? Strap. And there's also a case. Okay, so with this size, talagang very handy itong Osmo Mobile 3. I-unpack ko na. Tingnan natin kung ano ang laman. Wow! Okay. So this is it. So eto yung port ng Swan. Okay. So this is the power on. Okay, tingnan natin. Hi Gerald! So, nag-unpack ako nitong nabili ko. So, wala siyang battery, pero titingnan natin kung i-charge ko muna, and then let's see kung paano siya gumagana. So, alright. Okay, meron pala siyang battery, ayan. So, okay. So, titingnan natin kung paano siya gamitin. This is the manual. Okay. And tingnan ko kung paano siya gumana. Ayan. Pag-aaralan ko kung paano siya minamanipulate. Ayan na siya. Okay. So, yun. Right. Yung power niya. Okay. Sa pag-aaralan ko siya kung paano siya gamitin. Tingnan ko na kakasya siya rito para mag-serve as ayun, pwede rin pala. Yan, so may mga gamit na ako kasi yung ginagamit ko lang talaga ay yung ordinary stick na ito. Ayan. So kaya kailangan kong palitan para ito, ano raw to maganda yung ano niya pag ito yung ginamit mo. Okay, so I'll keep you posted once I learned how to use this gadget. Bye. Guys, one thing that I like for this gadget is, okay, this gadget has a port here na pwede mo siyang i-charge yung phone mo in case na maubusan ka ng battery. Okay, yung battery nito, it runs for 15 hours. So, kaya kahit maubusan ka ng battery sa phone mo, hindi ka kaagad mag-run out of battery kasi may reserve ka rito. Okay? And here's a charger port here. Okay, kung gusto mo siyang i-charge in case na maubusan na ng battery. But this gadget runs for 15 hours with this battery. Okay, it's very handy. Ayan. Okay. At kung gusto mo siyang paikutin, okay, yan. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Kung gusto mo naman siyang paikutin ng ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. And then kung gusto mo siyang i-adjust pataas, just press this or this one and it will go up. Okay? Ayan. So, eto yung kung gusto mo siyang i-switch for video or camera dito. Okay? Yun ang kagandahan nito. Dalawang araw kong hinanap itong gadget na to. And I roam around from Parramatta to Sydney just to look for this gadget. DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Okay? So, if you like this gadget, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just press the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you will be informed and notified if ever I have a new upload video. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.